What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Primech Holdings Limited, which will be trading under ticker symbol PMEC, Papa Mike Echo Charlie, on the NASDAQ exchange, and will be IPOing on October 3rd of 2023. Now, before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord, so you could get our pre-market picks early, the link to join is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times, ladies and gentlemen, and this past week, for example, we called out BNOX, B-N-O-X, on our private Discord pre-market, and it went up 640%. We also called FEMY, FEMI, which went up 133%. And that's just a couple of the runners that we have had this past week. We have actually had a lot more, but those are the ones that I'm going to tell you about, because if I told you about all of them, we'd probably be here all day. Anyways, we're just made different, ladies and gents. Just made different. The early bird gets the cash. You know how it is. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, maybe more, episodes on how we find and trade stocks. How we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more, guys. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's get right into this. So Primech Holdings is an established technology-driven facility service provider in the public and private sectors, operating primarily in Singapore. Now, their mission is to support businesses by improving their lives, strengthening communities through their business practices and ethics. That's basically what they said here. They actually compete primarily in Singapore with a small portion of their operations in Malaysia. They also provide a broad spectrum of cleaning services, both to a variety of customers, including the Changi Airport, which is the main airport in Singapore, conservancy areas, hotels, common areas, educational institutions, integrated public areas, residential spaces, office facilities, industrial areas, retail stores, and healthcare facilities. You get it. They clean a lot of stuff, right? And their diversified customer mix ensures that they do not rely on any single customer for their revenue and enables them to better manage their business risks. Now, their technology initiatives to date include the use of autonomous floor scrubbing robots equipped with a real-time monitoring and self-docking capability to perform cleaning services. Honestly, that sounds to me like a Roomba. You know how they had the old Roombas that would just travel around on your floor and then bump into things and not say a word and just turn around and just vacuum up your floor and clean everything? It's like that, only with scrubbing, at least in my mind. They're basically also in the exploratory stage of collaboration for the development of drones designed to perform facade and roof cleaning services. So they got drones that clean your roof. Wow. Okay. I was not ready for that one. I actually was not ready to hear that they have that. That's very interesting. They have drones that clean your roofs, man. Whew. I need a drone to clean my roof. My God. But anyways, in addition, they introduced something called their Home Helpy website and mobile application, which allows individual customers to book their cleaning services. This has then enabled them to expand in the B2C, business-to-consumer segment from their primary B2B, business-to-business business. Yeah, business-to-business, which basically they actually were founded in Singapore in 1984 and operate in the industrials industry with 2,613 employees. That's a pretty hefty amount of employees there. So let's turn our attention to the IPO details. So Primech Holdings Limited is offering 3,050,000 shares in their initial public offering. The IPO stock price range has been set between $4 to $5 per share. Now, with these numbers, the deal size is estimated to be approximately 13.73 million. And investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of PMEC as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the industrials industry. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners. We implore you guys to always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. And I personally might not pre-buy the stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. It's a very good company, but it's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Again, not stock advice, so you guys do your own due diligence. You do you. I do me. All right? Not a stock professional. And that's pretty much it for me, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye. Woo!